Good morning. Good morning, guys. Today is a Monday, and it's that time of the season where we have leaves falling out of the trees. Nice and beautiful day, and we're about to get our day started. Got a couple calls, and maybe install a wall heater. So let's go warm up the beast and get going. Got a couple units here and some curves. A Goodman curve and a York curve. We got a mess right here. We gotta clean up. And in here. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so we're here at our destination. It's an apartment. It's a split system up in the attic, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so right away coming up from turning the thermostat on, this is all it does. That's all we're having, just the pilot and the ignition, so let me check it out, I'll let you know. Okay, so on this one we have a bad ignition module. As you see right there, so we're only getting power to our pilot, but from that we're only getting 6 volts coming out of the freaking main valve, and we only have the pilot train on. So we're gonna replace this module with the new. Let me see it, Oscar. With the new Honeywell module, and we'll see. Okay, so there's our new Honeywell module, spark ignition module hooked up. We got 2 quarter screws here holding it. We got our spark over here, our 24 volts coming in from the T-stat, our ground common 24 volts common, and then this one is your ground from your burners, and then pilot valve, your common for pilot and main valve, and your main valve right here. So now we're gonna hook it up. Let's see what's going on. There we go. Wait a couple seconds and it's gonna click, and we're gonna have our blower motor come on. So we're gonna stick this right now. This is our diagnostics flash code. We're gonna stick it to maybe here. There you go, you heard that click? That's our blower. So we're mounting it right there. So now to test it again, we're gonna shut the gas off, and it's gonna cycle off. Just to fire the flame on. Nice and blue flame. Okay, so we're done here at this apartment. So now we're gonna go do a material list for a house we're gonna do. It's gonna have 2 systems. I think it's about 2,800, 3,000 square feet. So we'll check it out right now. Alright guys, so we got here to the house where they're building. There's my brother with the wall heater we're gonna install. Hey, the light doesn't work on the left one? So we'll let them know the light doesn't work. Oh, that's a lot of pretty nice houses here. But that's the one we're gonna be checking out. Okay. Alright, so we just finished sizing up our duckings and our material list. And we're gonna start tomorrow here in this house. It's pretty nice. Alright guys, so we just ordered our material from here from Goodman. They have the cheapest prices around. So now we're gonna go install that wall heater that's right there. Yep. Okay, so this is the heater we're gonna be taking out. Yeah, you can see it's been overheating a lot right now. Naturally draft. And it's been tagged by our local gas supplier. So here's our new one. It's a Monterey Old Williams. It's a 25,000 BTU heater. It says it comes with the thermostat. Oh, we're gonna replace the gas flex as well with the new one. Here's the old one, a Ultra Air. It was red flagged because I'm guessing it's dangerous. Here. Hello? So we're gonna make a hole right here to run the thermostat around this wall. The old furnace never had a thermostat. So we're gonna install a new one. Okay, so we just run our thermostat about a foot away from the heater itself. And as you can see, it's clear all the way up there. So we have a clean fuel pipe, and Oscar already went up there and checked it out. Everything's good. New gas flex. I'm gonna strap our thermostat right there to the wall. So here Oscar put in the heater in. We're gonna mount it from the bottom right now. First wire up. Just let it burn up a little bit. So we had it running for about 20 minutes. We're not picking up no carbon monoxide or anything. So we're calling this good.